Hey folks, it's Ricardo Green, Solutions Engineer with Fugue. Today I will be talking about Fugue Infrastructure as Code. Fugue empowers cloud engineering teams to secure their entire development lifecycle, from infrastructure as code through CI/CD to the runtime using the same open policy agent policies. Fugue has the ability to inspect Terraform files, CloudFormation templates, Kubernetes manifests, and DockerFiles. There are hundreds of pre-built policies, and we also give you the ability to create your own custom rules for any sort of settings on any of the resources that you are deploying to your cloud environments. First, let's just take a look at some of the commands that we can run with Fugue. So for that, we will just run the help flag. Above, you will see just a simple Terraform file with a couple of policies, VPCs, subnets, and security groups that we're going to inspect. When we run the help flag, this will give us some detail as to what we can actually do. So we can verify the input type, we can choose an output format, and we'll run a couple of those. We also have the ability to set severity flags, so we can tell Fugue not to exit successfully whenever certain severities are met. So if we have critical or high severities, we want to stop builds. So to do that, it's as simple as running a regular run, and we will see the output for the specific file that we are attempting to deploy. So we have a number of violations here that we are informed that need to be corrected. This will give us a ton of information. Obviously, your engineering teams and developers can interact with this directly. If you're running it within a pipeline, chances are you most likely will have a JSON output, which we will see here. The JSON output actually gives you a little bit more detail. Obviously the control mappings, we also get rule descriptions and then a pass or fail. This obviously can be saved as an artifact and used for reporting. The next phase of this is actually sending these reports into the Fugue UI, and that's what we have here. When we do that, we actually get to see all of the individual resource evaluations for everything that we're deploying, but we also see the evaluations for the control mappings. And this is where we would get pass fails. Here we have CIS benchmarks set up. And lastly, we get to see a visualization. So this is all of the resources that I am intending to deploy. Clicking on any of these resources also give us detail as to what we've declared in our infrastructure as code template. So this is just a quick preview of Fugue IAC. Getting up and running with Fugue literally takes about 15 minutes. And we will guarantee your success. Thank you for taking some time to spend with us today.